What is up, guys? It's Food and That coming at you with a brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you 4 ways to reheat pizza. It's a food that everyone loves and all the methods are accessible by everyone. First, you're going to take your slice of pizza, put it outside. Solarized pizza, very efficient. Let the sun just heat that up. Secondly, you're going to get your pizza, put it in a pan. This pan's on medium heat, medium to low, and you're going to get maybe a tablespoon of water and put it in the pan to create steam. So you're going to leave that for maybe 2 minutes and we'll come back to it. The steam is going to melt all the cheese on the top. Alright, it's looking about done. Steam. We'll check. So this is the slice, soft, bit blackened by hand, that's live. The Chef John fork scrape. Nice sheen on top. Cheese is still stretchy. So let's go check back on our solarized pizza. Oh. Huh. Okay, so that didn't work out. Let's try the microwave. Everybody's got one of those. We're gonna put it for maybe 1 minute.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
It's a nice sheen on it. Still see a bit of the oil, a bit of the cheese melted. But as many of you know, when you reheat pizza with a microwave, it gets a bit soft, a bit floppy, a bit soggy. So it's not really the best method.
Be better.
Now the best method, my favorite method, is boiling pizza.
Some men just want to watch the world burn.
So when you boil your pizza, you're going to want the water on a high heat, 10 out of 10. Make sure to give your pizza a good stir while it's in there. You want to get the pizza in contact with all the water. Very important step, make sure to flip your pizza. Cheese has got to boil too. So you leave that in there maybe about 10 minutes, come back to it. It's looking done to me. Take it out and we're going to give it a little test. As you can see, definitely heated through. Structural composition, you know, it's been affected, but the taste is still there. Look at the bottom, fantastic. Nah, but in all seriousness, guys, the first method is probably the best, just for heating through the bottom, crispy bottom, melty cheese top. The crust still stays firm, it's not completely soggy. And if you like the look of that pickle, I've got my next videos coming up on that, so stay tuned to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe and give me some feedback. And yeah, that's it guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.